Hi, Spicewood first graders. It's Miss Rayborn here. I'm excited for us to start learning about something new this week called symmetry. Some of you might know a little bit about symmetry. You may have talked about this a little bit in the past in kindergarten. We're going to spend some time on it this year because it's something we would have learned about in the spring, and so we need to go back and make sure that we understand. So the book that we're going to look at today is called Seeing Symmetry by Lauren Letty, and it is published by Holiday House. So it's called Seeing Symmetry. I'll try to make sure you can see the pages like always. Butterfly wings have it. Triceratops had it. The word mom has it. When you know what to look for, it's easy to start. So there's a butterfly, a triceratops, and then the word mom. You might see symmetry in the yard, on a plate, flying by, in the sky, hiding out, in plain sight. So what is it? So what do we think these things have in common? I'm going to let you look at them more carefully. If you can fold a shape exactly in half, it has symmetry. So they took the triangle, they folded it in half, and they had two sides just the same, so it is symmetrical. It says if each half is a mirror image of the other half, then the whole half is symmetrical. For example, if we drew a little line up the center of our plane going this way, it shows us that it's symmetrical. It's the same on both sides. If each half is flipped over like a reflection, then it has symmetry. The line in the middle is called the line of symmetry. So here's the line down the center, half on each side. Here's the line in the center. There's a vertical line going up and down. The line of symmetry can also be horizontal, going side to side. Shapes such as these have line symmetry, meaning when you draw the line, they're the same on both sides. If you could fold a sea turtle from nose to tail, the two sides would match flipper to flipper. So they took the sea turtle, look at that, and they divided it in half with a line of symmetry going this way, and they have half of the turtle each way. It's impossible to fold a real sea turtle, but one side of its body is the mirror image of the other side, meaning it's the same on both sides. Nature is rarely exact. One flipper might be slightly larger than the other. However, we can see one flipper here, one flipper here, right? One part of the shell design here, one here. Animals see different shapes. So here we see, this is a scallop, which is a kind of a shell. Beetles, like a ladybug, it's showing us. A sawfish, a toad, a lizard, showing us where the line of symmetry would go. Penguins and even whales have it if we drew our line down the center here. It says, check your face. In the mirror, you'll see a line of symmetry right down the middle of your nose. Your face is symmetrical. What about your hands? So one hand, no. But if you put your two hands up next to each other, one hand by itself does not have symmetry, but two hands are the mirror image of each other. Your body has symmetry too, right? If we drew a line right down the center, one arm on each side, one leg on each side, one ear on each side. And so does clothing that fits your body. So we're going to learn a little bit more about symmetry this week. And on the next slide, we're going to practice making symmetry by folding and cutting paper. On the next slide after that, you get to learn how to share your artwork with me. So go to the next slide, gather your art supplies. This week, you're going to need 2 pieces of paper. You're going to need some scissors and some glue. Okay, more directions about what we're gonna do next. I'll see you soon. Bye.